everybody, in this video we're gonna learn how to zoom out in Fortnite. Zooming out on Fortnite can help you see more of the game world and improve your gameplay experience. So in order to zoom out on Fortnite, first launch open Fortnite game on your PC or any other devices. In today's video we're gonna do this on our PC. To zoom out on Fortnite using PC, simply go ahead and click on the menu bar at the top left hand corner and then click on the settings option from the left side menu. Now click the settings button one more time and make sure that you're inside this video tab. To zoom out, you'll need to adjust the resolution of the game. Inside the resolution tab, make sure to click on this. Simply click on this arrow to change your resolution. The higher resolution will make your game appear smaller and zoomed out, while the lower resolution will make a game appear larger and zoomed in. To zoom out, select the higher resolution from the list and click on Apply. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to zoom out your game for Fortnite. If you select the lowest resolution, so in order to zoom out on your Fortnite game, all you need to do is to change the resolution of the game, select it from the list and click on Apply. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more videos like this. Goodbye till then.